Hey there, fam bam. It's Irene with Boop and Budgets. I appreciate you stopping by and gifting me with some of your beautiful, precious time. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today is Saving Cereal Saturday series. So thank you for stopping by. And today we're going to go over 5 challenges. These three were here from last time. And so we're adding these 2 in, and I'll let you know who they are all from. But first, let's go ahead and count the money to see how much we're working with today. I hope everyone is doing well and is having a wonderful day or evening, whatever time you're watching the video. Okay, we have $85 and we have one spicy 50. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that in the middle here, and then we'll mix in some of these 2s with some of these 1s, and we'll do it like this. So what I'm gonna do is I have a 5-sided die here. I'm gonna roll it. Whatever the die lands on, that's the challenge. That's gonna get 1 bill. We're gonna do 1 bill this time. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 2. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 3. What was your favorite cereal growing up? If you ate cereal, what was your favorite cereal growing up? My favorite cereal I can probably say is probably the most sweetest, sugariest one. But I liked Cocoa Puffs. Just the chocolate and how it would turn your milk into like a chocolatey milk, and just the crunch of the puffs. I don't know, I loved it. So yeah, I would say probably Cocoa Puffs is my favorite. I think I'd take after my dad. That was one of his favorites as well. So let me know down in the comments below, if you ate cereal, what was your favorite cereal? Wow, one's getting a lot of the money. Number 2. Okay. Oh, nobody's getting the $50 bill. 1, of course. Okay. 2, come on. 4. 5. Something, one of my comments in the comment section, somebody had mentioned that, not only did they play video games or whatever that was popular when they were growing up, but also board games. And I forgot, yes, board games for sure were something popular in our house. And the one board game that we used to have so much fun playing, I mean, we used to love playing all the board games, but the one game that really got us cracking up and laughing is Pictionary. Do you guys remember Pictionary, where you would have teams and then one person would draw and the rest of the team would have to try to figure out what you're drawing? OMG, we had people laughing so hard, people choking on food because they were laughing so hard. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun with that game in my family. It was so much fun. This is the dashboard. This is a dashboard that came with budgeting with Lisandra's cereal savings challenges, and I want to say there was like 10 or 11 included, but this is a cute little dashboard that came with it. I love it so much. Isn't that darling? Cereal savings. And then this is the envelope that I'm going to save the money in, that I save with all of these, because it's going to go towards this savings challenge here. And this one was gifted to me by Lisa over at Budgets and Cents One. So yeah, and I just put a little white paper in there to make it look like there was milk in there. But yeah, so I will definitely go over all of these challenges with you and let you know who they're from. Okay. So this first one here is from Boss Babe Budgets, and we needed, I believe, $77 for this one. So let me see, 8, 10, 20, 5, oh, 30. What am I saying to? Oh, you know what? 77 was for this one here. This one needs $30, but we totally got $30. We got more than $30. So we got 52, 4, 6, 8, 60. I'm gonna need some change. Let me put that to the side for now, and I will mark off $10 on here, and then we'll come back to that. So I'll do the 8 and the 2. Okay, so let me actually this saves us, I think this saves us 50. So yeah, save 50. So I'm gonna put this here, and then I can mark everything off. That worked out perfect. Again, this is from Boss Babe Budgets, and it says coffee because anger management is too expensive. Bugs Bunny, he's so cute. All right, so this one is done, and then we have all this extra. I'll just put that up there. All right, this next challenge is from Cajun Girl Creates on Etsy. I will leave everyone linked below. This is made in the 80s, and these are all the different characters that were popular back in the 80s. You got the Smurfs, Rainbow Bright, Strawberry Shortcake. You got the Muppet Babies, the Care Bears, My Little Pony. So this one is supposed to save me a total of $100. So let's see how much we saved with this one today. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. $7 on this big old challenge. It's okay, we'll figure it out. So we'll mark off this 7 right here. All right, so I'm gonna just set this aside. I'm gonna just set this aside here, and then we'll come back to it because we have extra money. So we'll see if we can do something with this. All right, this next one here is from Budgeting with Lysandra, and this is one of the challenges that came with the bundle that I got in her coffee shop, Ko-fi, whatever you want to call it. So this one is $5 per barrel. So let's see how much we saved. We saved 2, 3, 4. So let me pull. I want to finish this challenge because I want to bring in some more of hers. So I have 4 here. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 15. I needed 15 to complete this challenge. So I will put all this money up here. And so this should have saved us a total of $30. Let's see. Let's count it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, $30. So let me go ahead and mark off these, and this is 30. This is another completed challenge. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one here. Let me move these over. All right, this next challenge is a new challenge that just came in, and this is from Taylor Budgets 5. And do you guys remember Josie and the Pussycats? I remember watching them when I was younger. I remember they were like a little band, and they would sing and perform, and you know, one of those kind of like situations, like the Scooby-Doo gang, you know, teenagers in those just different scenarios. in their episodes. But yeah, I remember watching them and watching them sing and perform in their band. I thought it was so awesome because they were all women and they were all playing instruments and they would sing. And when I was little, I wanted to be a singer and a dancer and an actress. So I just thought it was real fun. Anyway, so this one's gonna save me a total of 40. So we saved 2, 4, 6, 7. We saved $8 with this one. So let's mark off this 8. All right. So let's see here. That was all right. And then this one is Scooby-Doo. Who could forget Scooby-Doo? And this one is from Novalyn Savings. And this one is I'm going to save $1 for each bone and then $2 for each villain. So this is going to save me a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. So let's see how much we saved today. 2, 4, 5, 6. So we saved $6. So 2, 4, and 6. And let's see how much we have in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's see, 15, 12, 14, 15. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay, we'll go ahead and finish this one up. Scooby-Doo, I know it was real popular when I was growing up, but we didn't watch Scooby-Doo. My mom didn't like us to watch Scooby-Doo because she just thought monsters, ghosts, all that stuff. She didn't want us to watch it. So she didn't want us to watch Scooby-Doo. So we didn't really watch it. We snuck in a few episodes here and there, so we know pretty much what it was about. And basically we tried telling her, Mom, the monsters are not real, it's just regular people dressed up like a monster. But that still wasn't good enough for her. But I ran out of paper clips anyway. But yeah, she still was like, nope, you guys can't watch it. So anyway, so this one's completed. So I'll go ahead and put this one with this here, with these. So we have 3 completed savings challenges, and let's see how much money we have left over. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark off 2 more on this one. So we'll do the 5 here, and we'll do that, and we'll do the 2, and we'll do the 3. And we'll add all this to this one here. All right, perfect. So that goes here. So next time we will bring in these 2 challenges back, Josie and the Pussycats and Made in the 80s, and then we finish these 3. So we'll bring in some more next time, but we'll see how it goes, and then when we're done, we'll go ahead and accumulate all this, and then we'll add it into that big challenge. But Cereal Savings by Budgeting with Lysandra, go check out her coffee shop. She has this bundle in there, so super duper cute. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and if you made it to the end, please leave a cat. Thanks for watching. Bye.